So if you're a B2B business owner struggling to generate consistent leads on LinkedIn, this video is going to change everything for you. I'm about to share the exact 5-step framework that's helped hundreds of businesses go from random LinkedIn activity to real predictable lead generation in just 90 days. We call it the Clear framework. And by the end of this video, you'll understand exactly how to use it to transform your LinkedIn presence into a reliable machine. Now, if you're like most B2B business owners, you probably know that LinkedIn is really important for lead generation. You've probably tried posting content, maybe you've tried sending some connection requests, or maybe you even upgraded to Sales Navigator. But here's what usually happens. You send out random messages to random people, hoping that something sticks. You get a few connections, maybe 1 or 2 replies, but nothing consistent, nothing predictable. So, does that sound familiar? The problem isn't that LinkedIn itself. The problem is that you don't have a systematic approach and you're playing the lottery when you should be following a proven process. And that's where the Clear framework comes in. Clear stands for clarity, locate, engage, analyze, respond. And these 5 steps will take you from being very confused and inconsistent to converting prospects into customers within 90 days. And the best part, once you master this framework, it works like clockwork. Let me break down each step for you. So step 1 is clarify. This is your foundation week, and it's absolutely critical that you get this right. Most people, they skip this step and they wonder why their LinkedIn efforts fail. Don't make that mistake. In week 1, we clarify 3 things. First, your ICP, your ideal client profile. Who exactly are you trying to help? Not businesses or entrepreneurs, but specifically who? What's their job title, company size, industry, pain points? Secondly, your offer clarity. What problem do you solve? How do you solve it? And what outcome do you deliver? This needs to be crystal clear in 1 sentence. Third, your value proposition. Why should someone choose you over every other option available to them? So we actually use proven methodologies like the Story brand, Donald Miller, to nail this down. And once it's clear, we optimize your entire LinkedIn profile around this clarity. By the end of week 1, you know exactly who you're targeting and why they should care. Step 2 is locate. Now that you know who you're looking for, we need to find them. And this is where Sales Navigator becomes your best friend. But most often make the mistake, they just do one broad search and hope for the best. Instead, we create 4 to 5 highly targeted search strategies, different job titles, different company sizes, different geographic locations. We're building multiple streams of prospects. So our goal is 500 qualified prospects minimum, not just random people who fit your exact ICP criteria. We segment these lists by priority. Tier 1 prospects get campaign A, Tier 2 prospects get campaign B, and everything is really organized and strategic. So by the end of week 2, we have a database of perfectly identified prospects ready for systematic outreach. No more wondering who to message next, no more random prospecting. You have a goldmine of qualified leads waiting for you. Step 3 is engage, and this is where the magic happens. We're not sending those generic, hey, let's connect messages. We're actually creating intelligent, personalized campaign sequences that actually get responses. And each campaign has 5 to 7 touch points. The first message focuses on connection, the second builds rapport, and the third introduces value, and so on. But here's the key. We use AI-powered personalization. The system will automatically insert their name, their company, their job title, and specific pain points that are super relevant to their industry. And it feels really personal because it really is personal, But it's also systemized and very scalable. We launch these campaigns, and within 48 hours, you'll start seeing connection requests being accepted. Within a week, you'll have prospects actively engaging in conversations. And the best part is this runs automatically whilst you focus on your business. The system does the heavy lifting, but every interaction feels human and it feels authentic. Step 4 is Analyse. This is where we see those good campaigns become great campaigns. And every week we dive into the data. What's your connection acceptance rate? What's the reply rate? What's the meeting booking rate? So we A/B split test different messages and different variations. Maybe version A gets 20% replies, but version B gets 35%. So we actually start to double down on what works and eliminate what doesn't. So we refine our audience through targeting. If prospects from tech companies respond better to those from manufacturing, we adjust our search criteria accordingly. And this isn't guesswork, it's data-driven optimization. By week 8, your campaigns are running like a well-oiled machine. You're not just hitting our guaranteed metrics, but you're also exceeding them. And because we're constantly optimizing, your results keep improving over time. And step 5, the final step, is respond. This is where conversations turn into customers. We integrate everything with your CRM, so no leads slip through the cracks. Every prospect interaction is captured and tracked automatically. And we design follow-up sequences that nurture those prospects who aren't yet ready to buy today, but might be ready in a month. We set up calendar booking systems, and that makes it really easy for qualified prospects to schedule sales calls with you. And we'll provide a qualification framework so that you're not wasting time on those tire kickers. You're only talking to people who have budget, authority, and genuine need for your solution. And what's the results? Well, it's a predictable sales pipeline that grows your revenue month after month. So let me paint you a picture of what the next 90 days could look like for your business. Week 1, you've completed clarity on your ideal customer and compelling offer. Week 2, you have 500 perfect prospects identified and ready for outreach. By week 4, you're getting those daily connection requests accepted and those prospect replies. And by week 8, your campaigns are really optimized and consistently generating qualified leads. So by day 90, you have a predictable system that delivers qualified prospects to your calendar every single week. And this isn't just about LinkedIn, it's about building a predictable revenue engine for your business. Now, you have two choices. You can keep doing what you're doing, posting that random content, sending occasional connection requests, or hoping that something works. Or you can implement the clear framework and join hundreds of B2B businesses who've transformed their LinkedIn presence into a revenue machine. If you want to learn exactly how to implement this framework in your business, I've created a detailed program called the Leadeth University, and that walks you through every single step. The link is in the description below. Don't wait another month before wondering where your next customer will come from. Take action today and let's start building the predictable lead generation system for your business. It deserves it. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.